The runners away, searching for the leader. There goes 10-10. 40 diving to the lead, followed by Moon Laser in second. Then comes Brilliant Move. Tango Echo Kate is running by the rail, moving up for the outside. Double time swing and going along for the first turn. 10-10. 40 by about a length and a half, followed by Moon Laser in second. Running in third now, Colonial Star. Running by the rail, Tango Echo Kit. Then comes Double Time Swing. Undercover comes next. Brilliant Move. Moving up by the rail, Blow By. Going back to the leader. With it still 10-10. 40 by about 4 lengths now, followed now by and number 9, Undercover. Then comes Double Time Swing, Tango Echo Kit, Brilliant Move. And nearing the fourth turn, 10-10, 40, Undercover. Now moving about the outside to take the lead. It's now Undercover with a breakaway run by about 4 lengths. Followed by 10-10, 40, Double Time Swing as they swing for home. Undercover by about 5 lengths now. Followed by 10-10, 40, Double Time Swing. Brilliant Move moving up, Blow By. Last 75 meters. Undercover. And finally, the program ender. Undercover. Blow By. Brilliant Move. Then comes number 11, Double Time Swing. Number 4, My Lady Consign for your Super 6. 10-10, 40.
Alright, number 9, Undercover, Crossing the Warpers, ridden by JL Santiago. Masisigundo yung 2, Blow By. Tapos 8, Brilliant Move. 11, Double Time Swing. 4, My Lady Consa. 10-10, 40 para sa inyong Super 6. 9-8, 11, 4, 13. Ano official na datingan natin? Panoorin natin replay. Pagkakapanamang itong si Undercover.